Okay, so hello, good evening everyone, all together here again, and I'm here to meet you today. So today we're gonna learn a new thing that is a very common use in English language. So you might got confusing, and it is very important to use in your writing passage, when you're using or speaking or make conversation with others, especially with foreigners. Yes, so the people around the world, and it is very important for you to take a little bit learning on what we are going to talk today. So today you're gonna learn the articles in English. So we have 3 articles that are very common use in English, and we use it every day in our daily life. So the 3 articles, there is some of you that mean low level, it is make you feel a little bit conflict, make you a little bit got confusing of using it. Sometimes you don't know how to use all that. That is very important for you as well. But the high level that they learn a lot, they conduct research, they do the research, and they practice every day. There is no matter what the way of using it. There is no matter. But for you, for the low level, it is very important for you to get understand of using the 3 articles here. Okay, and that. That is the 3 common use of the article in English language. So some of you may know that when we use an, that is we use before vowel or vowel sound. Okay, you know that how many vowel in English language? We have 5, right? Okay, we have A, E, I, O, and U. A, I, O, and U. That is, we call the vowel sound in English. So when we use an, remember that it is used before vowel. And vowel sound, you think that, so we still have vowel and vowel sound. So that make you got a little bit complex. Alright, so here, the word hours, so we don't have the sound of H. We have no sound in here. So when you start, example like, I spend 1 hour, or I spend an hour today. Okay, I spend an hour to learn or to practice my English speaking. So mean that you spend 1 hour. So the word H here, there is no sound to run for. So it means that, okay, vowel or vowel sound. So that is easy for you, okay, because for example, like we say, I like an ice cream. So ice cream start with letter ice. Okay, ice cream. Okay, I like an ice cream, or I like ice cream. Give me an ice cream, please. Give me an ice cream, please. Another way we can say eggs. Yeah, eggs. There is an egg on the table. There is an egg on the table. Not there is an egg on the table. There is an egg on the table. So that is very easy for you to understand of using it. Okay, and I mean that you before vowel or vowel sound in English. So now let's move to the next one here. Okay, A, or we call A, yeah. In general, I mean that we are talking in generally. We are not focusing on one, or we are not focusing on another one. And another word we can say used before a consonant sound, that is make you feel understand of using it. In general, we can talk any kinds of thing that you are you want to show to someone else for recommendation. So another way we can say use before a consonant sound, that is very easy for you to understand of using it as well. Okay, use before a consonant sound. So we take out the 5 vowel sound in English, so the rest of the other, all of them are in a consonant sound as well. You got it? Okay, you follow me, everyone? So we have to take out, okay, the 5 vowel sound in English and the rest of the other letters. You mean that it is a consonant sound. Okay, for example, for you, that letter B, letter C, letter D, and blah 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 blah, so on. Okay, so we take out 5 letters as a vowel sound in English. So when we use A for general, we are not supposing that we are not focusing on something specific one. Okay, so we mention someone or somebody in general. Okay, for example, I say I need a book. For example, I need a book. In general, we don't know which one of the book you want or which one of the book you needed. I need a book. I need a book to read. So some of your friend or your friend may ask you, so which book that you need to read? For example, I need a book. I need a book. So if we have many kinds of book on the table, your friend may ask you, so which of the book that you need to read? Okay, so that is a general one. And another one we can say use before a consonant sound. So the letter B, that what I say, the sound is in consonant, not in vowel. Okay, you got it? So we are talking in general, and also we are focusing on A used before a consonant sound. Okay, so I hope you got it well. So now let's move to the next one. And there in general, but the is very common use, and it is used for a specific one that you choose. You decided to pick up one, you decided to get this one. For example, I need the red marker. So I mean that the rest of the red marker, you don't need it. So it means that you already have chosen for the one or for the thing you needed. Okay, so I need the red pen. So the blue pen you want? No. The black pen you want? No. So I mean that just only the red pen only. Okay, so I mean that a specific one, you choose it. Alright, for example, I can say I need the red pen. I need the red pen. So it means that, like what I explained the previous one, the blue one you don't need, the black one you also don't need it. The one you need is only the red one. Okay, so let's move to the next point. For the second time, you talked about the same noun. You mean that you already talk double time, 2 time, or second time, but the noun is also the same one as you mentioned. For example, like I bought some meal. Okay, I bought some meal. So meal is in uncountable noun. So the next one it must be the meal. The meal was great. The meal was great. So it means that you talked about the same noun. You talk about the same noun double time. For the next sentence, I mean that we replace by the. Okay. So here meal and here meal. Because why? It is a grammar rule that we need to. We have to follow because of the grammar rule. And it is also for the second time that you are talking about at the same noun. Alright, so let's move to the next one. The speaker and the listener both know. So it means that you both or your partner already know the place or know the object you are talking about. For example, your friend talk, or call you. Hello, Meyer. Did you bring the book from the school? Oh, I forgot it at school. I forgot it at school. Did you bring the book? Did you bring the book from the school? So the school, it means that both the speaker or your partner, you and your partner already know the school you learn. It means that you and your partner learned at the same school. And when we use that, it means that the specific one, it means that you and your partner know the school is. Okay? So, Mir, did you bring the book from the school? Oh, I forgot it, I'm sorry. So the school, it means that the same place that you already know. You and your partner already know the school is. Okay? So, let's move to the next one. 1% of country. So it means that we need to use the before to mention or to show that the country is already need to use the. So I mean that we have 3 countries that need to use it. We have the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, yeah. And another one is a very big land, below the Canada, that we call the United States. The United States. And the middle is of the European, I mean that the United European of America. So, I mean that we have 3 countries. First is the United Kingdom, we need to use the. And another one is the United States of the America, and another one is the United European of America. So it is the way how to use that is a very complex for you, but you can take this part. It means that remember we need to use for a specific one only. So I mean that you decided already or you choose it already. You have chosen the black one or the red one, the blue one or the black one. It is up to you. So I mean that you already make your decision already on for choosing it. So it is for a specific one you are talking, and it means that we are talking in general and use it before consonant sound. And N we use before vowel sound and vowel. So if you think that the video can help you of using the article of English, please be happy and take some part of the lesson to improve your English learning. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comment, please leave down on the video. So thank you for watching this. Bye.